Hey guys, thanks for tuning into the channel. Click subscribe, get all the updates.
All right, there you go. All right, here we go. Did you? Whoa. Yeah. There you go. All right. This is the flight of the Avistar 30cc. Taxi it out, we'll bring it back in. It's a 30cc Avistar. It's got a, I believe it's an 85-inch wingspan, and the airplane's got some weight to it. It's got some weight. All right, and let's see here. This is your elevator right here.
Yeah.
All right.
No, wait a minute. This is the elevator.
All right. Okay.
That's.
All right.
Here's
Here we
the
go.
flaps.
All right. Away we go. You ready?
Yeah.
You see it pretty good?
Yeah.
Just a couple of notches above half throttle. And look at her. She's just cruising. We'll get it up high enough and get her trimmed out. Super stable. Super stable. Engine's a little gurgly, but that's not bad considering it hasn't been flown in a while. Had some old gas in there, and it's doing good. I'm gonna bring it down a little lower to help old Trucker Doug out so he doesn't break his neck. We'll kick up the speed on it a notch. Hear some of that gurgle out. That's full throttle right there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a low speed pass here. Like I said, this is a large 30cc trainer, so they should be able to crawl on by. We'll see. Coming in. The bird got the heck out of the way. Flies super stable, super smooth, super predictable, nothing crazy. The power is plenty for this. It flies very scale. And this is Trucker Doug's airplane. Maiden flight for him. And this is going to be a good keeper here. And that engine has more power to offer. We need to lean it out so we can get the RPMs up. And you can hear them changing now. It's doing pretty good. It's super smooth. Looks like the flaps are down on this thing. And there we go. We'll set it up. We'll bring it in for a landing, and we'll check. It's flying kind of like it's a little lethargic, so I'm thinking that maybe the flaps are down. We're gonna do a low speed flyby. Oh yeah, that's much different. I think we were flying with the flaps down. That's okay. We're gonna do a slow flyby, and we're gonna look. It's already flying pretty speedy. Sun's already set, so it's getting kind of hard to see it. All right, we'll take a good look here. Flaps are down.
Doesn't make a difference. I think they're still down.
Yep, they look like they're still down. And that's fine. I was wondering why it wasn't taking all the power that it had, but that's fine.
Oh, you know why?
And what we'll do is
It was this one.
I think that was different.
Bring it in again. It's that.
Let me
'Cause remember, I had to switch it.
yeah, let me retrim it real quick. Let's see here. Yep, that was it. Let's go up and we're gonna retrim it. It should fly a little faster for us there. Okay. Good flying airplane. All right, we're gonna set up for a landing. To be honest with you, man, I like the way it flew with the flaps. Hit that the flaps on it one more time. That was cool. We're gonna put it in. Yep, look at that. It's ballooning straight up. I think that was full flaps there. Put it on half flaps. There we go. Coming in. Flaps down. High angle. Kick you into flare. Look at that. Oh, that's cool. That's cool.
I didn't even get it. I was
Yeah, you
sitting
missed
there
it, man. You missed
I was
it.
sitting there watching the
You
plane.
missed the airplane. Come on, let's do it again. All right, here we go. It was flying so good, he's kind of mesmerized. I was too. All right, that was funny.
Yeah, I was
Here we
watching the airplane
Yeah,
land.
I mean, honestly, it was just kind of like a floater,
beautiful
man.
sight.
It was beautiful. All right, here we go. Let's do the same thing.
All right, I'll catch this one.
There we go. This time I'm even going to come under with a tiny bit of power. And the flare, the settle. Oh, grease. We did it. And there you have it. It's an Avistar 30cc airplane.